The Assist Kit is simply service hours and blocks of time you can use on a single project or throughout the year to support your existing technology team. The Assist Kit support service hours are sold in blocks ranging from 2 hours to 100 hours per school year. The hours must be used 1 calendar year from the date of purchase. How can Assist Kit help? You can use the Assist Kit to set up or troubleshoot Google single sign-on integration. How much easier would it be for your users to have one single sign-on to use with Google, your student information system, or other school resources? The Assist Kit can also help you configure Active Directory sync with Google Workspace. Do you have Active Directory? Are your users staying in sync from Active Directory to Google Workspace? Or would you like your student information system to sync with Active Directory and Google Workspace? We can help. You can also use the blocks of time to help configure your Chrome devices. This could be setting up Chrome settings like kiosk mode or programming tools to help you enroll large groups of devices. Or you could use your time to help set up user and group automation so you can better utilize Google Workspace to support your teaching and learning goals. These are just a few of the ways that schools have used the Assist Kit. Kincaid IT can help you with any need or project that you have. The Assist Kit comes with Google Workspace expertise. Our experienced team is not only certified by Google for education, but also has years of experience in K-12 technology. And we're here to support your Google Workspace environment and never leave you stranded. It also includes flexible support options. Our team's experience goes beyond Google for education, and we'd love to see how we can help your project's needs. And it includes tailored support. Not sure how many hours of support you need? No worries. Support hours can be bought in blocks to tailor to your needs. You can learn more about our Assist Kit, as well as everything else Kincaid IT can do to support your school district on our website, www.kincaidit.com.